Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez and I have a fall home decor haul for you today. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and thank you so much if you are a returning subscriber. Now let's get right into the video. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with Big Lots, and let me start by saying that I love everything that they have to offer. All of their neutrals and their greens, that is the exact color scheme that I had last year. And last year I had a very hard time finding those colors. Obviously, just my luck, they don't have a lot of that until the year after I've done it. So this year I am doing something a little bit out of the ordinary when it comes to colors, because I haven't been able to find a lot. I have found stuff here and there, but I'm going to have to DIY a lot of the stuff because I have this kind of vision in my mind of what I want, and I'm gonna have to do it myself, and that's perfectly fine. I love that. I love the challenge. I love doing things on my own anyways. But if that is a color scheme that you're going for, check out my fall post from last year on my Instagram and just go crazy at Big Lots. Everything that they have there is amazing. It all looks really good quality. So being that it's not my color scheme, I went in there again and fell in love with everything, but only came out with one thing, and it's the most unexpected thing that I would ever buy. But I only bought a candle, and this one is in Apple Orchard, and it smells amazing, and it just says Apple Orchard. That's all it says, but it smells amazing. I just love it. It doesn't smell like candy. It doesn't smell like apple pie. It doesn't have like that bakery scent. It doesn't have a kind of a food scent either, like any of the other candles. Confession, I don't like fall scented candles. I do not like spice. I do not like the pumpkin spice, anything apple, cinnamon. That's just not me, and that's fine. But I always find something else to burn during the fall if I burn any candles, and this year it's going to be Apple Orchard. I love this. It's perfect. It does give me fall vibes without having that kind of spice note in the background. I don't know why, but I've never liked it. But I can't wait to burn this candle, and I'm gonna go back and buy some more. This was only $5, so I'm going to go back and gradually continue buying them. I don't think this is gonna be too popular of a scent because everyone always goes for the traditional fall scents. So I'm sure I'll still find this. Hopefully I'll find some after the season at a discounted price, because I would love to have some for next year. Now really quickly, I'm gonna do the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree has been very slow at stocking the fall items. They bring them in kind of one by one, and again, Dollar Tree tends to do a lot of the traditional colors, so I haven't been finding a lot of what I want. I did buy some florals from them, but it's for a DIY that should be coming after this video. So let me just show you what I did end up getting at Dollar Tree. Now I did get this small bag of acorns, and it has 12 acorns per bag. This will be just kind of scatter or filler. I love that they have very minimum orange. The camera is picking up mainly the orange, but it does have some of the dark browns in it, and I like that. I of course picked up the pumpkin clips in the white. It does have like little maroon splatters, so that fits perfectly with my purple. I bought 2 of these packs, so I have a total of 6 little clip-in pumpkins. If they had had more, I would have bought maybe a 3rd one and a 4th one, just because they're wide, so they fit anywhere, and they have the little clip. If you don't like the little clip, you can just pop them off the clip and use them as tiny pumpkins, so it works either way. And obviously again, I bought the metal words in the Thankful, Harvest, and Welcome. These I was having a hard time. I went to 3 different Dollar Trees to try and find them. Finally, when I was at the last one, I asked one of the cashiers if they had any, and she says, wait, I think we do. And she went all the way to the back of her stock room and brought out 2. She said, I think somebody's hiding these, but I'm gonna give them to you. So it pays to be nice to your cashiers, because they end up helping with a simple greeting, how are you? If they talk to you, make small conversation back, because they give you stuff that maybe they themselves were hiding in the back because you were nice to them. So it always pays to be nice. Now also from Walmart, my Walmart is also being kind of slow at stocking the fall items, but I did buy this big beautiful cream pumpkin, and it's this one that isn't the like the odd shape, and it was $5.98. I do want to go back and buy some more of these, but I kind of want to buy them little by little. If they run out, well then too bad, it wasn't meant to be. But I don't want to buy a bunch of pumpkins until I actually start decorating to see how many I will need, because I still have a lot of the small suede pumpkins from Target Bullseye Playground last year. So I'm going to incorporate a lot of those. I just do need a couple of bigger pumpkins, so I may end up going to get maybe another 2 of these kind of lighter neutral colors. And these are just like the Michaels ones. They feel the same. They have about the same kind of non-weight. The only complaint is that Walmart, why did you put it inside the pumpkin and right in the top? Like, put a sticker in the bottom or something. So I'm hoping to pull this out and not make too much damage. And then I bought some florals from Walmart, and let me tell you, you need to go check out their floral section, because they are really stepping up their game in regards to what they have. Let me show you first these purple ones, and these are called purple mistletoe stem, and these are just $2, and look at how big they are. Like, I can't even fit them in the frame. So these are perfect if you have one of those big what are they called? What are those big jugs called? A demijohn. These are perfect in one of those big demijohns, because they will go in all the way and they still have enough up at the top where it's not just kind of short. And for $2, this is really good. I did end up buying 2 of them because, again, they kind of fit my purple. They kind of look a little bit like eucalyptus. That's what I thought they were at first when I saw them. Of course, they were really high up. I had to ask for help to bring them down. But I love these. They were only $2, so can't really beat that. And now the item that I was most surprised to find at Walmart was this. And as you can see, it was only $3, and it is a eucalyptus stem. And it, again, is huge. And look at how full it is. I'm going to have a picture on my Instagram right before this video goes up, so that I can show you how great these are. Just look at how big and full they are. And this is without fluffing. I didn't have to fluff this one. This is exactly the way it came out of the package. I hadn't even removed the price until I could show you on a video. So it's been sticking inside of my demijohn with the price and everything, because I couldn't wait to show you. Now let me show you a comparison. Now this is the eucalyptus stem from Hearth and Hand at Target, and this was $9.99, I believe. And it is really fluffy. It is really nice. I do still really love this. I have their little vase filler eucalyptus picks or stems, and those are perfect. But one of those has probably as much, no, they have more than any one of this single stems, and those were $7.99 for 3 of them. So compared to this huge one from Walmart for $3, and then this little one, come on, like, it just doesn't compare, especially for the price. And I like more of the leaves and less of these like little berry looking things. If this is a look you're going for, then that's perfectly fine. This would also work perfect in like a small pitcher or a small vase. This is more for tall vases, like the ones that you would put on the floor, or a large demijohn. So I wanted to show you the comparison of these two, so that you can make up your mind if you want to buy the Hearth and Hand at Target, or if you just want to go to Walmart and get this one for $3. So I have two of these in my demijohn, and they look perfectly. I don't have access to a Trader Joe's where they sell the really nice fresh ones that later just dry out beautifully. So this is kind of my perfect alternative. And again, for $3, it really doesn't get any better than that. And now from one of my most favorite stores, Michael's, I'm going to start off with the piece that I love the most. It is this beautiful purple pumpkin. Again, I'm doing purples for fall this year, and Michael's does have kind of a small selection of purple items. I did show that in my shop with me at Michael's, and I did show this pumpkin on there. This pumpkin was, I believe, $9.99. With a coupon, I ended up paying about the same as the Walmart one, which was like $5.98. So they're about the same. This one is a little bit smaller, but they do have ones that are a little bit bigger for the same price. But I just love this color. I love that it kind of is like purple and pink. It looks more pink on camera than how purple it looks in real life. So I'm gonna try and get another one of these in the exact same size, and maybe some other ones so that I can mix it in with my current pumpkins that I have. Now, because purple isn't that popular of a color, it is going to be more of an accent when it comes to the pumpkins. I did get a lot of florals because that's what was easier to find in the purple. So now I'm going to show you all of the florals that I got, and let me warn you, it's a lot, but I'm in love. So let me start with these smaller picks. This is kind of like a gray, and I never find any gray flowers. So this was perfect, and this one was $1.49, but I did get it at 40% off, so it was, I think, 79 cents or something around the lines of that. So this was perfect. I think I'm going to use this for a DIY. If not, I like to separate these and put them in small little like bud vases. And then they also have that same style of pick, but a little bit larger. This one was $1.99, so this was, I think, like $1.29 with the 40% off. I love the deep purple that this is, and when I first went to Michael's, I had bought two, and then I went a second time and I bought another one. So I think I may return either one or two of these, because I most definitely do not need three. But look at how pretty that purple is. So maybe I'll return one or two. And now in that demijohn where I currently have the eucalyptus for fall, I am also going to mix in this. And this just says fall stem, and it's beautiful, and it's purple, and it's just a bunch of leaves with like these little curly things. I think it'll look perfect. I already tried it in the demijohn mixed with the eucalyptus, and it looks great. Look. Just kind of weave them in together. Oh, this is horrible, but I promise you it does look good when I have it in the demijohn. But oh, there, it looks a little bit better. So this is kind of the vibe that I have going on for fall this year. I also got this beautiful flowers, and these are kind of drapey, and I love these. They have this for every season in every color, and this just says fall bush. This one was $16.99. Obviously I bought this with a 40% coupon as well. I'm sorry, with the 40% discount. I love how drapey these are. I have the perfect place for them already, so that this was my first purchase that I did because I knew where I wanted this. I have a thrifted wooden basket that I want these kind of to drape over. So they're perfect. I love them. And then I got this little bundle of flowers. These are perfect because they have a nice little mix of everything. So you can use these for DIYs, and I probably will do a DIY with these. Instead of, for example, going to the Dollar Tree and buying a bunch of little bouquets that are all the same flower, ends up adding up. $1 plus $1 plus $1 plus $1 adds up every time. So sometimes it is cheaper to get one thing for one price. This was $9.99, and with a discount, obviously it did come to a little under $6. So it adds up, and the quality of the flowers is better than the Dollar Tree. It's still not as good of a quality as some of the other Michael's florals, because they are these kind of like little mixed bundles for $9.99. But even then, it's still really good, especially for a DIY. Like, you have everything, it's already pre-mixed for you, so you don't have to do the guesswork on what looks good with what. So I love these little bundles that they have for every season, and they had some other ones that were a little bit more expensive, but they had a little bit bigger flowers, and then they had pumpkin picks inside of them. So that makes it perfect. It takes the guesswork out of your DIYs. And then finally, I got this sage eucalyptus. That's what it says on here. Oh no, that's what it said on the receipt. Sage eucalyptus. But this just says fall bush. And this is kind of the small eucalyptus, but I love, oh, it's pulling really pink in the camera. But it's kind of like a pinky purple ends that they have, so it'll fit in really nice with what I have going on. You can use this whole bundle, or you can kind of tear them up. Usually you can pull these through a little bit more than it ending there, so even then you could use this as a really nice long pick, as an additive to some of your vases, or just as a single piece and something, because these are beautiful. And again, these were $14.99 with a 40% off. So that's it for this fall haul. It was really short and sweet. It was mainly florals, again, because I'm doing purple. It's just easier to find purple florals than it is to find actual decor pieces. So I'll just have to tie in with a lot of the stuff that I already have, and that's perfectly fine. I'm up for the challenge. I hope that you want to see my purple decor, so don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will be posting the majority of the pictures there. And this year I really hope to have time to film a fall home tour where you will be able to see all of my fall decor all in one video. I'm also planning some really neat DIYs, because again, I'm gonna have to do a lot of the stuff myself, but that's what I love anyways. So I can't wait to show you more of what I have in store for you. And thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what colors you are doing this year, or if you do traditional decor style. Thank you again. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.